Mistplay not opening on Android 15 is usually something you can troubleshoot without reinstalling the app first. The quickest fixes are checking for a Mistplay update, restarting Android, clearing the app cache, and making sure Google Play services are working normally. By the end, you'll know which settings to check first and what to do if Mistplay still refuses to open. Start with the simplest fix: restart your Android phone. A temporary background process can prevent an app from launching correctly, especially after an Android system or app update. Restart the phone. Then open Mistplay again before changing anything else. If Mistplay still stays on the loading screen or closes immediately, open the Google Play Store and search for Mistplay. If an update button appears, install it. App updates can include compatibility fixes for newer Android versions, so running an older Mistplay build can cause launch problems. Next, check Misplay's cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Mistplay, select Storage or Storage and Cache, and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your account data. Then launch Mistplay again. If that doesn't work, check Android's permissions and battery restrictions for Mistplay. Some Android devices aggressively limit background activity, which can interfere with apps that need network access or account verification. Make sure Mistplay isn't being heavily restricted by your phone's battery saving settings. Your internet connection is another quick check. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try Mistplay again. If the app opens on one connection but not the other, the problem may be related to the network rather than the Mistplay installation. If Mistplay still won't open, check Google Play Services and the Google Play Store for pending updates. Mistplay relies on Android's broader app ecosystem, so outdated supporting components can sometimes cause launch or authentication problems. The last step is reinstalling Mistplay. Before doing that, make sure you know the login method connected to your Mistplay account. Uninstall the app, reinstall it from Google Play, and sign back in using the same account credentials. So the practical order is simple: restart Android 15, update Mistplay, clear its cache, check network and battery restrictions, update Google Play components, and reinstall only if the earlier steps fail. Try those steps in that order, then open Mistplay again. If this fixed the problem, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides.